you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share this video with you guys. This is like one of my secret favorite things to do, and that is clean out and declutter my homeschool room, which is currently where I am in my homeschool room. I like to clean everything out at the end of a school year before I reorganize and rearrange and just get refreshed for the school year. Step one is decluttering. So I need to go through my school room, all of my school papers. I need to clean everything out so we are working with a clean slate before we start reorganizing and replenishing with new school supplies and things like that. Today's video is brought to you in partnership with DragonBox by Kahoot. You guys have seen, I've shared them with you 2 other times now. And today I am just here to share them with you once again. You guys might be wondering what my kids are going to be doing while I am doing this major clean out. They already helped with their desks because they have certain things in there that they don't want to get rid of, and I just see paper and I want to get rid of everything. So I had them go through their desks, but now they're all going to have some quiet time while mom knocks out this project, and my oldest son requested to play the algebra level of DragonBox. So I will show you guys a little bit more about that app as we get going into this video, but I just wanted to let you guys know what you're in store for here. I just put on my hat and I'm ready to do this, tackle this. I know I'm going to get asked, what do I do with all of my kids' schoolwork? So what I do is I just save a few of their favorite things that they worked really hard on, things that I want to remember or they want to remember for sentimental reasons. We do not have to report or turn anything in. So as hard as it is for me to see a whole level of something that we worked so hard on completing go to the recycling bin, there's just no way I can save it all, and there really is no reason. So I will pick out, excuse me, I will pick out a few of their favorite things, and then everything else will be recycled. So that's the way that we do it. So I got a lot to do, so let's get going. So the first thing I'm gonna work on is getting all of these new school supplies out of this laundry basket. I just put them in there for ease. Actually, part of what spurred on me doing this now was the fact, sorry, I'm on hold with Costco.com if you can hear that in the background. But we just had our carpets cleaned, and so I had to move everything out of here anyway, like the carpet and the art cart over there and everything. So I figured, why would I put it all back in the wrong spots or you know, like not organized how I want it? So that's kind of what spurred on this big clean out. So I'm gonna go through this and kind of figure out where I want to put things to clear this out. Anything decor related, I'm going to wait to put up until I get the whole place cleaned out. So like these and my new posters and like some of these, the stickers that I got for the kids. If you watch my supply haul, we're not going to do all of that yet, but I do want to just get this emptied out. Like these notebooks, I have a basket where I keep spiral notebooks, so I need to just put those in there. So that's what I'm gonna work on first.
Got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it. Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are right underneath the stars, so let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this, 'cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless.
Okay, so we're making good progress. As you guys can tell, when I do a clean out, I like to move from area to area. So I like to do like the desk, and then this bookshelf, and then this bookshelf. And so you guys have seen that I have taken down all of the art that was on our art line. I've taken down the vocabulary science words. I've cleaned out a few bookcases. So we're making good progress, but I already mentioned DragonBox to you guys, so I wanted to quickly share it with you again. I will have the links to download the app. It is available on Android as well as iOS, so iPhone or iPad. But here he is. He's having some fun on the DragonBox Algebra app. So, he's got it all figured out. So on this, on the app, once you download it, this is for kids ages 12 and up. And so really what he's doing here, which he doesn't even realize he's doing, is he's getting everything onto the right side of the equation. And there's lots of different ways that they review that. That's a very important algebra concept.
Yep.
So do you think that other kids would like to play DragonBox?
Yeah, I think so.
And why do you think it's fun?
Well, it's like the little animals on here are funny.
So you like the animation of the app? Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you guys can see it's like very colorful and very interactive, and it does get more challenging the levels as they go up, right,
Yep,
Caleb?
definitely.
So it starts off a little easier, or as like he liked to say, but then it picks up. So he's just sitting in here having some quiet time playing on it. Like I said, it's available for all devices, Android, iPhone, iPad, all of it. And so see, it gives them these little rewards, and he's ready to go to the next level.
Yep.
And so it gets more challenging because there's more things that have to be moved to the right side of the equation. And so it's there. I find it interesting and actually pretty cool that there's not really numbers that they're working with. So if you've got a kiddo that is reluctant to anything they see that's like, oh, that's not a game, that's a math problem. Well, there's really not numbers on these images, it's pictures. And so it's just a really fun way for them to review those algebra concepts. And like I said, it does get more challenging the more they play it. So, anyways, I wanted to share that with you. So that's what he's doing. My other kiddos are reading. I'm about halfway done with the project now in here for the clean out. Like I said, I'm not gonna do like the new decor or anything. I'm just cleaning things out. I've already got a gigantic bag of trash right there. Well, actually all recycling. But I do need to grab another one. And I think I showed you guys this in the beginning of the video, but here's everything that I wanted to get cleaned out today. So I still need to do the inside of the bins. The kids did clean out the desks. I've taken down the art, moved desks. I did move them over, and I need to clean out my morning basket. So we're making progress, but we're not quite there yet. So let's finish up.
I thought
Does anybody else get so attached to all the work that they do? It pains me to clear it out, but I just cannot save it. So I have the stacks of things that I want to save for memories for the kids right here. So I'm holding on to those, but I just can't save math books and language arts books. There's just no reason. So cleaning out all of the filing areas that just get so stuffed as the school year. Okay, so update, I just went through and pulled out some of the kids' special work that I saved throughout the year. So the way that I do it is I just have this small like accordion file thingy, and when they finish something that I think they're gonna wanna save, here's all the save stuff, I'll just put it in there, and at the end of the year I clean it out. So this is now empty, and then I will just make a little binder for each of my kids with their stuff that they want to save there. So now I have all of their bins lined up here. This is what we keep all of our curriculum in. And so I am going to get this opened up, cleaned out, and probably I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna empty these out and I'm gonna put them in the sink with soapy dishwater to kind of clean them. So I'm gonna go through everything that's in here and take out what we're not using next year or what they're completely done with, to pull a few sample pages out just of things that they might want to remember. So I'm gonna clean out their bins now. Okay, so the last thing that is on my list to clean out today for this homeschool room clean out video is my morning basket. It goes downstairs, but I brought it up here because I make a mess in one place. So the last thing is to clean out this basket of our morning materials. I'm gonna leave it empty for now, and then when we get closer to the start of our new homeschool year, I will of course start preparing things and putting things in here, and I will show you guys all of that in like a preparing or planning type video. But for now, we're done with everything in this basket. We've done it all, we've read it all, and so now it's time to clean it out.
I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Okay guys, so mission accomplished. I've got my to-do list done. The cleaning out of all the homeschool things are done. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys like how I have everything emptied out, and then stay tuned because later, probably more toward July, I will have a new homeschool room, maybe late June. Just look out for it. I'll have a new homeschool room tour, or rather updated homeschool room tour, and then come July I will show you guys like how I'm organizing all the things. So today was just to clean out. The room is not done. I didn't add any of the new decor. I just got the things cleaned out. So let's take a look around. So the first thing is that here I had that laundry basket full of stuff. That is empty now. This is decor stuff, so we're waiting on that. on my list was to move the desks. So I moved the desk over to have a little room for like plugging things in and just less banging on the wall. I know that sounds weird, but the desk was always hitting the wall. And then in here, we've emptied it out, so looks way better. The bins all got cleaned out. I just dusted and tidied the bookshelf. There was really nothing that needed to be cleaned out of there. My morning basket is here because I'm gonna keep it upstairs so I can fill it in when I'm feeling inspired to start preparing for next school year. Gonna wait until I'm done with this one though before I do that. So the desks got clean. They're doing puzzles, so they're clean. In here I cleaned all this out. There was so much junk. I got all the color pencils organized. I found like a bigger thing for my markers and organized all that. I took down all of the artwork, well not all of it, but like the outdated stuff. Took down all that for the science unit. Over here, I cleaned out this and I cleaned out that file folder. The rest of the stuff here will stay. I also cleaned that file thing out. This stuff is curriculum. And I dusted that too. So all of the curriculum will get put away. That is some of the work I'm keeping of my kiddos. I'm waiting to pick up a Target order with 3-ring binders to put those in. I dusted off my desk area. That was really all I had to do there. I did need to clean out that basket. It's where all the chargers and headphones go, and it was like so tangled like a puzzle. This thing, I'm gonna talk more about that in my tour, but I've got all this needs to go downstairs. I cleaned out the art cart and replenished it with new supplies for the upcoming year, and it was very chaotic in there, so that's all full again. Again, all the desks cleaned out, all the bins cleaned out, and here is the picture of my efforts. So this is all going into the recycling, and it pains me, but it also makes me really proud of how much work we complete. I never see how much stuff we do until it's all on the floor, and I have to decide what should I keep and what do we recycle. So all of that is going. So yeah, that is my great clean out of my homeschool room. I hope it motivated you guys to tackle your homeschool rooms. It feels really good. We only have about 4 or 5 more days left in this school year. And so just having the room already like cleaned out feels amazing. So I hope it motivated you. Make sure to check out DragonBox. The links will be down below for you guys to check them out, and it'll help your kiddos stay fresh on those algebra skills while they're off this summer. So thank you so much to DragonBox for partnering with me, and my dogs want to say goodbye to you guys too. So bye guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.